We have got the OneLeaf Mars mt1000 LRF. This is the 35mm lens version. It shows two lenses, but this one just came with the 35mm lens. So we are going to do an unboxing and see what comes with this unit. And then in the next video, we'll go over menu, features, functions, how to use it, all that good stuff. Get out of here. Come on. All right, well, right off the bat, you can see some specs right here. 64GB SD card, 640 by 512 sensor resolution, 35mm lens. The magnification is a 2x all the way to 16x. 2x is your base mag. And a detection range of 3.28 to 1,969 yards. And the rangefinder can read out from 5.5 yards all the way out to 1,300. We have got a user manual. It comes with a heated target to 0, which is pretty cool. I haven't actually had one of the thermal come with one of those. And your 3-year warranty with the customer support email. And yeah. So what do we have here? We got O-ring lenses, more lens O-rings, different size, more sizes, and your USB cover O-ring. Battery cap O-ring and some tools. Mounting hardware too, you got your screws. This must be the mount itself, I'm guessing. Comes in a nice bag. And yep, you got your, we have 5 mounting screws. It feels like it's built well, good quality. Smooth threads. We have got a USB-C cable for charging. Another cable, probably for downloading stuff. Some sort of cover. More covers. And then we got the scope itself. You have your eyepiece, which is removable. Front cover. The rangefinder. Guessing this is probably for the rangefinder. Yeah, rangefinder cover. Front lens cover if you needed to use it. Your rear lens cover if you didn't have the eyepiece on. And not entirely sure what this one's for yet, but we'll figure it out. You have got your menu button and dial, record button, your brightness, and I think this is for your scenes, which we'll go over all that in the next video, and then your color palette, and where you can watch the videos or pictures that you have on your scope. You can hold that, I think, and be able to look through it and watch them right on here. You've got your battery compartment with your 18650. Over here we have your power button. This is where you can charge the unit and hook it up to a computer, I believe. Take out your SD card, which is right here, micro SD. And your cover goes back on. Well, we are gonna give this a test tonight. Oh, here is how you can switch your lens out. If you had a 50 or 75 millimeter lens, you can push this down, rotate this, and that comes right off. Pretty easy. And then it just clicks in. All right, pretty self-explanatory, but yeah, seems like it's built well, decent weight to it, not overly heavy. Doesn't feel cheap or chintzy or anything, so we're gonna give this a test maybe tonight, and we will go over some basic menu settings, how to operate everything, take a look at the different color palettes and the overall picture of it, and then get her sighted in and get it out for a coyote hunt here shortly. So stay posted because we will be adding more to this. Thanks.